Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will be giving you guys a room tour of Margaritaville at sea on the Paradise ship. Now, if you were wanting to know what the experience in Freeport, Bahamas was like, how the entertainment is on this ship, the food, and also how much I paid for this, make sure that you're subscribed because I will be posting another video later on this week. And the link can be found down below. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is room 4088, which is located on the 4th floor in the middle of the ship, and it is an interior room. So once you walk in, on the back of the door, you will see safety features, but there's also some helpful information and tips located on the back. So please make sure that you read that because those are very helpful. If you turn to your left, you will see the closet space that's located right there. They also provide hangers as well. And there's a couple drawers down there that you can put some of your items in. And also the main light switches are located right there. Further down, you will find the safe as well as the life jackets. Make sure that you go on the website and read about the restricted items. A lot of cruise ships do not allow like extension cords, hair straighteners, irons, things of that nature. They do provide a blow dryer though, so that's right in there. Over on this side, you see water bottles that are not free. You cannot pack any on you either, or any type of beverages. They'll take those as well. So you can find free water though at the buffet, and you can also purchase water bottles at any of the bars. When it comes to wall charging ports, there really aren't that many, so make sure that you bring an adapter. I brought multiple portable chargers. So there's that one located right there, and then there is another one further down, which I will point out to you. There is a QR code to scan for the schedule, the menus, and more because they do not have an app like most cruise ships and all-inclusive resorts have. So once you scan the QR code, the website pops up to this page, and then there are areas that you can click on which show the activity schedule, excursions, food menus. I'm gonna scroll back up and show you guys the schedule. So this is what it looks like. Feel free to pause the screen, take a screenshot, whatever you need. Now, I'm not sure, but I'm assuming that this does vary and it does change depending on the cruise and what they have available, don't have available. So it may not be this exact itinerary, but this is what it was when I was on Paradise. Hidden down below is another wall outlet. And in this closet, you do have a fold-away bed. Now, it does say it has to be opened by a staff member, so I didn't need it. I didn't touch it. I left it right where it was. There's a phone, and then we had a queen-size bed. There's pictures on the wall. There's a map on the right-hand side. Now, underneath the bed, there is space to put your luggage. I brought a big old suitcase, so I did not even attempt to try to fit it under there. But if you have like a cute little carry-on or something, I'm pretty sure it can fit underneath there. And then there's a tiny itty-bitty side table located on the opposite side. I know most of us have seen the reviews of like the wallpaper hanging off the wall, the room not being clean, not being vacuumed, just a bunch of stuff. I'm not even going to talk about the negative because my personal experience was positive, so I can't even get into that. But now let me show you the bathroom, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts at the very end. The shower was pretty tiny. They do have shower curtains. They don't have like a glass sliding door, which, not gonna lie, was a little annoying just because with it being that tiny, it kind of like sticks to you as you shower. Just grosses me out, but that's just me. No major complaints on that though. They do have conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel, and the water also got very hot. So there was a warning sign there that said to check the temperature prior, so make sure you do that. There's a drain, there's the toilet right there. So the one problem that we actually did have with this room, which to me, I don't even think was that major because they fixed it. When I first got in the room, I washed my hands. As you can see, that is broken and the water would not drain down. So when you lift that up, that's supposed to lift up the silver part that's inside the sink and, you know, drain the water. That was broken. But I will say, I called the front desk as soon as I found that out, and we went to the sail away party, hung out outside for a little bit. By the time we got back in the room, it was fixed. So again, minor inconvenience, didn't really need it at the time, and they fixed it before we even got back to the room. Something that I did find really cool about the room is that on the TV, which I have not seen this on Royal Caribbean or on Carnival, but the TV in your room does have a lot of general information. It has the TV guide, it has your account review, so you can see how much you've spent, all of that. You can also see the excursions on the TV. So when it comes to the account review, let me show you guys how it pops up. When you click on the account review, it will take you to a page that looks like this, where it says account overview. So in the top left-hand corner, you will see your name. If you're in the room with someone else, their name will be on a whole separate page. You will see an account number and then a balance. The balance is what will be charged on your card and things that you have purchased while on the ship. So if you look on the side where it says charges, everything that says 00, though we did have a beverage package, so we weren't charged additional for that. Now, the service charge and the fuel supplement charge, those are not hidden fees. No shade towards anybody, y'all. But if you read the website when you book, it does say that the base price does not include the service charge or the fuel supplement charge, okay? So those things will be charged when you get on the ship. Now, when I had called, they did say that you cannot prepay it. You have to pay it when you get on the ship. So I was fully aware. I did not get hit with any additional hidden fees or charges or anything like that. Right, so when it comes to debarkation, they will give you a sheet of paper on your second day there that tells you what time you need to get off the ship. Now, as you can see, ours says express because we did pay for the faster chill pass. Again, I'll have a whole separate video on all of that. But with that, we got to get off the ship faster. And fun fact, if you have global entry and you have your global entry card on you, not TSA pre-check, global entry, you are able to skip the line as well. So overall, aside from the minor inconvenience that we had with the sink that was fixed fairly quickly, nothing else really went wrong. Like, I don't really have any major complaints about this room. It was cleaned, the carpet was vacuumed, the wallpaper stayed on the wall, it smelled nice. And it was also fairly spacious for an interior cabin compared to a lot of other cruise ships. And that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was very helpful. Feel free to leave comments down below, share this video with a friend, and also make sure to subscribe so you're not missing out. And I will see you guys next time.